Hi, I'm Preksha from Kolkata. I have around 6 years of experience in telecom domain and I have recently made a successful transition in data science, started working for a big MNC lately. I'd like to thank each and everyone from Learnbay team cause of whom this transition became possible. The instructors at Learnbay are really incredible and they are very knowledgeable. They always make sure that all the concepts are taught in a much easier manner and people coming from different background, even from non-programming background, can even well grasp and understand. Now coming to the placement part. The team will help you in the best way possible to get you placed and refer your profile in good companies. All you need to do is just be focused, determined, and consistent throughout the journey. Last but not the least, I'd like to recommend all data science aspirants to get yourself enrolled in Data Science AI program led by Learnbay if you are looking for a transition. Thank you very much.